6 Weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Welcome back, everyone. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. And again, we are seeing improving conditions drying out today. We still have that river flood warning for the Nueces River, especially below the dam where water is being released. So at Blunser and Calallen, it's going to go from minor flooding now to moderate flooding tomorrow afternoon to major flooding tomorrow night, as we talked about earlier in the broadcast. The clearing line is just out to the west, as we saw on our WeatherBug cameras moments ago, and it's cleared out in Beeville and George West, and that will continue to advance towards the coast tonight. Now, we do have this little mid-level low out here in northern Mexico, which will produce some clouds tomorrow. So it won't be totally sunny tomorrow, but it'll be more sunny than it was today, at least here in town, as most of the moisture, though, has moved off of this low-pressure system, which is now just south of New Orleans, Louisiana, and kicking off to the northeast there. So that's what's left of that. Once that low goes by, high pressure will push in behind it, and we will have some dynamite weather here for the weekend and in the next week. Now, this front out here in the Pacific is pretty strong, and it's going to be coming through here next Wednesday night and into Thursday. May or may not affect trick-or-treaters. Hopefully it won't. The low pressure in the short run is kicking out to the north and east. There's the dry air behind it in brown, and then this ridge of high pressure is going to build in. The keys to our weather: moisture moving out, dry high moving in. Watch on the future tracker here. And again, by the time we get to Saturday, just a dry northwesterly flow. And then on Sunday, the high sitting right over us into Monday. But then this low starts to deepen next week. And as it does so, the high moves away. And that opens the door for more wind and clouds and eventually some rain with that frontal boundary as it approaches and moves through the coastal bend next Wednesday night and early Thursday. The future tracker shows a few clouds around tomorrow, and then we clear out here tomorrow night and Saturday and Sunday too, with some gorgeous weather for the coastal bend. No meaningful rainfall to be expected for about 6 days. The winds, they're going to be light out of the north overnight and in the morning, and that'll aid in the clearing process. Tomorrow, very light winds, so a mix of clouds and sunshine. And then again, the winds stay extraordinarily light here on Saturday morning, only about 0 to 5 miles an hour, and the same on Saturday afternoon. I don't know when I've ever seen the winds this light. This has got to be the lightest wind regime we've seen. That's knocking down the swells that have been coming in and making for higher than normal tides on area beaches. So with that in mind, the evening forecast has us clearing out, and then we'll cloud up again later tonight, with temperatures going from the low 70s into the mid 60s on very light winds. As we take a look at your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 59 tonight, 74 tomorrow. Again, a mix of clouds and sun. More sun than today, but still a mostly cloudy day. But then great weather here on Saturday and Sunday. I'm telling you, just absolutely fabulous. As you can see, 85 Saturday, 86 Sunday, 88 for Monday. And then it gets windy on Tuesday and rain here on Wednesday. Hopefully the rain Wednesday will happen Wednesday night after trick-or-treating and it's done. In my neighborhood, that's usually between 7 and 9 p.m. But that front is for real. That's coming next week.